Scientists discovered that 1 in 4 people will adopt a completely false memory and believe it for the rest of their lives. And the worst part? You have no way of knowing which memories are real. Think about a memory you are completely certain of, something specific, something you would bet your life on. Now consider this. That memory has been altered every single time you remembered it, not by someone else, by you. Because memory is not a recording. It is not stored somewhere safe, locked away, unchanged. Memory is a reconstruction. Every time you remember something, your brain rebuilds it from scratch. And every time it rebuilds it, it makes small changes, fills in gaps, smooths out inconsistencies, adds details that feel true, but were never there. This is not a disorder. This is not a malfunction. This is how human memory works, for every person alive, including you. In the 1990s, psychologist Elizabeth Loftus conducted a series of experiments that changed how scientists understood memory forever. She took normal people, no mental illness, no history of trauma, and she planted a memory, a specific childhood event that never happened, being lost in a shopping mall. Within weeks, 25% of participants not only remembered the event, they added details, emotions, sensory experiences from something that never occurred. They weren't lying. They weren't confused. Their brain had created a fully formed memory from nothing. And when told the event was fabricated, some struggled to believe it because the memory felt real. Because to your brain, there is no difference between a real memory and a convincing false one. They feel identical, which means you cannot tell them apart. Not by trying harder, not by focusing more carefully, not at all. And this goes further than laboratory experiments. Think about a memory you share with someone close to you, a moment you both experienced. Now ask them about it. The details will be different, not slightly, significantly. Same moment, same room. 2 completely different memories. Both feel equally real. Both cannot be fully trusted, because memory was never designed for accuracy. It was designed for survival, for learning patterns, for building a story about who you are. And stories get edited every time they are told, every time they are remembered. Every conversation subtly rewrites what you think happened. Every emotion you feel while remembering colors the memory differently. And once a detail changes, it stays changed. The original is gone. You will never get it back. Here is the part that most people stop thinking about too quickly. If your memories can be altered without your awareness, and your perception can delete things from reality without your awareness, and your brain can create fear, presence, and sensation from nothing, then how much of what you experience is actually real, and how much of it is something your brain constructed for you? That is not a comfortable question, but it is the right one. Because the brain you use to understand reality is the same brain that distorts it, and it has been doing this your entire life without telling you.